saw an old man faint. He, with the help of a passerby, took him home and called a doctor. The doctor checked the old man and told him that he would not live for long. The boy felt sorry for the old man. He visited him every day. The old man died a few days later. The boy was very sad. A few days later, the boy's father lost his job. Now, the family did not have money to buy food and starved for several days. One day, the boy saw an old man dressed in white clothes like an angel. He placed his hand on the boy's forehead and disappeared. As he vanished, the boy saw a large sack of food and a small pouch of gold coins lying beside him. The boy's parents thanked the boy for being kind to the old man. The Frock. Zoe and her mother had lived in a small cottage. Christmas was so close. Zoe wished she could get a new dress with frills and lace. But Zoe did not want to ask her mother for a new dress. She knew how hard her mother worked to make both ends meet. Maybe she could make a wish, or maybe Santa Claus would come. The days passed. Soon it was Christmas Eve. Zoe went to bed with a heavy heart. She knew that there would be no gifts for her. Zoe slowly drifted off to sleep. In the morning, she was surprised to see a beautiful pack tie with a red ribbon. With fluffy frills and attractive lace. She touched the material. It was soft and silky. Zoe could not believe her eyes. After all, Santa Claus had heard her and sent her the lovely frog. The Talking Snowman. On a cold Christmas, there was snow everywhere. The children started to roll snowballs. Soon, they had 2 big ones. They then made a round head for a snowman's head. Luke brought 2 pieces of coal to use for the snowman's eyes. Anne gave him a wood nose. Fanny brought a scarf for the snowman. And Brad brought him a pair of mittens. Gus brought a hat from his house. It fitted the snowman perfectly, as though it was made for him. Gus said, "He looks perfect." They all stood back and admired the snowman. If only he could talk. Suddenly, a voice said, "Hello, children." The children were shocked. It was the snowman who spoke. "It is magic. He is alive," whispered Fanny. And indeed he was. The children had a wonderful time with the snowman. No one could have thought that they would be talking and playing with a snowman. Birth of Jesus. In the town of Nazareth, there lived Mary. She was engaged to Joseph. One day, an angel appeared to Mary. "You shall have a baby boy. Give him the name Jesus." Mary was confused. She was not yet married to Joseph. So how could she have a baby? The angel said, "The Holy Spirit will perform a miracle, and because of this, your baby shall be called the Son of God." Soon after, Joseph found out that Mary was going to have a baby. The angel said to him, "The child Mary is going to have is God's son." In those days, the government decided that they should count everyone who lived in that area of the world. So, Joseph took Mary to Bethlehem to register. But they could not find a place to stay. Finally, someone gave them a barn to stay. That night, Mary and Joseph had the baby Jesus.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.